Thanks everybody for joining in and watching this video. This video is all about low budget gardening. We got solo cups. They're not really solo cups. They're from the Dollar Tree. Get 22 of them in a pack for $1. Shout out to Skinny Boy Randy for giving me that tip on the Dollar Tree. And what we got right here is some kale. Blue collared kale, I believe. Yes, it's blue curled kale, planted March the 24th, 2020. We are ready to rock. Let's get it on in. I'm gonna go ahead and transport these now. I went from using smaller cups this size right here, to cups this size right here. They're also reusable. The next time you got some seeds and you want to drop some seeds down without having to use a whole bunch of soil, get you one of these. Got 5 holes drilled in the bottom, so I'll be able to bottom water and soak them up, soak up moisture for the plant. Here we go. I'm gonna go and pop out the first one. I just use my little identification stick. Ooh, yeah, good root system right here. This one got 2 in it. Sit that over there. Pop this in. All right, it's really that simple. Got a $1 pan from the Dollar Tree, $1 for 22 of these little cups. My seeds cost what they cost, I don't remember, maybe $1.89. Gonna fill this thing up with water. It's got little holes in the bottom to soak up some water. I'm gonna put a little worm casting teat in the mix, and yeah, we're gonna let these things grow. I mean, how many we got of them? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 4, 6, 8, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8. You made me lose count.
45.
It's 45? I don't know how many of them are there. I'll find out in a minute when I count them. Whatever. You grow with me. Anyway, so yeah, it's really that simple. And in 2 more, 3 more weeks, they'll be ready to go to new home. Thank you.